Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Canadian Imperial Bank or CIBC checking and saving account online in 2023. CIBC is one of Canada's largest banks, offering a wide range of financial products and services. By following the steps in this tutorial, you'll be able to open your CIBC checking and saving account conveniently from the comforts of your home. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's just start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Of course, you can simply go and open your preferred browser. For me, I'm going to use here Brave browser, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to the URL section, simply type www.cibc.com and hit the enter button. That should take you right away to the home screen or main screen of CIBC bank account. Of course, if you're not familiar with this website or this bank, you can always go and read all the information about it. If you scroll down here, and as you can see, you'll be able to read more information about us because of course a lot of people would like to know information about the bank before even opening the bank accounts on their bank so they can be secure with their money and everything. So for you, make sure to go and scroll down, read all the information. You can click on the links, as example, if there is a question that you don't understand and etc. And you will be able to go. Of course, normally if you have an account, you can simply log in into it. But if you don't, you can simply click on register. If you click on register, as you can see, enter your card details. So that's the option if you already have a card but you don't have an account at CIBC. So you can simply go and enter your card here and create an account for yourself so you can manage everything from this account right here. But let's just go back to cibc.com, and if you want, as an example, to open a new account or a saving account and checking account, you will have, of course, to go and click on this explore now. So as you can see, find the deal that's right for you, take advantage of our special offers including bonus cashback, rewards and more. So if you click on explore more, as you can see here, you'll be able to see all offers, but we don't care about this. We care just about checking and savings. So click on checking, and as you can see, you'll find here 4 offers. So for you, read all the informations about this chicken option. As you can see, you can read, and whatever suits you, you can simply go and click on learn more on it. Or instead, let's just go and open it on a new tab. For the saving, it's going to be the same. And go and read all the informations about each plan here. And once you decide whatever you want, you can simply go and click on get the details or learn more. And of course, this is for the checking account. So as you can see, for me as an example, I choose this offer. So get $350 with CIBC Smart Account, open your first checking account, complete the qualifying actions and earn some extra cash. Simply, if you want to create an account on checking account, you can simply go and click on open your account. So as you can see, ready to get like your money, provide your email address with an open CIBC smart account within 2 months. You'll have to set up and go in month direct deposit totaling 500 or more and complete one of these 3 transactions within the same calendar month to go and pre-authorized debits or 2 online bill payments of $50 or more each or 5 Visa debits. And of course, you will, once you're done those 2 steps, you will get your $350. And of course, if you are under 25 years old, this offer is only available for 25 years old. So, however, you qualify for a 125 offer and no fee everyday banking with CIBC Smart Start if you are just under 25. So, if you want to open your account on this checking account, you can simply go and click on open account. So once you do so, as you can see, you will find here the card that you will get, of course, and you can learn more about it. If you go here and click on learn more, you'll be able to see more information about it. As you can see, pay monthly fee that's adjust to you, so to $0 up to $17 pay monthly fee, and of course you'll know a lot of information. If you scroll down, you can simply take your time reading all of this. But if you decide that this is the checking account that you want to open, click on let's go, and as you can see, are you the CIBC client? If you are yes, click on yes and sign out now. If you don't, click on no and continue application. Once you do so here, you will simply have to provide your information. So first name, last name, tell us about yourself. So the birth date, address, mobile phone, and of course a lot of other informations. Once you finish entering your credentials or your personal informations, you will have to click on submit, and of course you'll have then to complete your identity verification. Then you can simply review and accept the terms and condition, and you will have your account as soon as possible once they approve everything. You will get a notification in your email address that your account is running, and you'll be able to fund your account and access like online banking, explore additional CIBC services that is provided on checking account. That's for the checking accounts. But for the saving accounts, as you can see, we opened like another account on saving accounts. It's going to be in like kind of the same. So it's easy to save up with 5.5% interest. Save more faster with your first CIBC Advantage saving account, plus gets rewarded with smart interest. So click on open an account. And once you do so, as you can see, you'll of course need, or you'll be able to read more information if you click on learn more always, and simply scroll down and read all the information required for yourself if you're still worried about opening an account on CIBC bank account. Of course, get our best saving offers up to 5.5% interest for 120 days on your first CIBC Advantage saving account. Limits apply. So if you want, click on let's go, no continue application because I don't have an account. Of course, for you, you'll simply have to go and create an account or log in into your account if you have an account for yourself. And then you will have to go and do the same. Enter your name, your date's birth, the email address, the phone number, and you'll have to tell them or give them the address, your SEN or social insurance number. Then, of course, you'll have to go and give them like some tax informations, your occupation, statements option, and review the following. So simply, as I said before, you will have to go and enter your personal informations and complete your identity verification. Then simply review before everything. Make sure to review everything before you submit, and of course even accept the terms and conditions after you read them. Submit your application. You'll have to wait until they approve your application. You'll get an email on your email that you entered, of course, that they accepted your application and they run your account now, and you will normally be good to go. So if you reach this point of this video, of course, you will normally have your account, your checking account and saving account. You can even now go and explore some additional CIBC services that is provided by CIBC, of course, not just the saving and checking. And of course, that wraps our tutorial on how to create a Canadian Imperial Bank or CIBC checking and saving account online in 2023. We hope this guide has been helpful to you in getting you started with CIBC account. And remember to keep your login credentials secure and stay informed about CIBC latest offering and updates. So thank you for watching, and we wish you the best with all your new CIBC checking and saving accounts. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one, and I will see you in the next video.